It's a cool 44 degrees inside this North East ISD classroom. The meat processing lab is part of the Agriscience Magnet Program, and here students learn the hands-on way, developing highly marketable skills aimed toward food processing and service industry jobs.
I want to work with HEB in the butcher shop. I know you can make good money. So I was like, this seems like a pretty good place to start.
I'm trying to make it as fun and interactive as possible.
The students are a mixture of in-person and virtual and are led by AMP teacher Tyler Price, who's been with NEISD for 6 years.
One thing that a class like this, and with a lot of our classes here at AMP, is we are going to prepare students for careers. So if college is not for them, we're going to prepare them to go out and get a job.
Price grew up on a small farming town in northwest Oklahoma and has been around traditional agriculture all his life.
I wanted to come to an urban area to teach the students that are most removed from the agriculture industry. Not every program in Texas or in the nation that offers a food science class, very few of them have the facility that we do.
His students learn not only where their food comes from, but how to handle, process, and market it.
So right now we just have lamb carcasses in here, but our goal will be to go through all of the different species. After this, more than likely, we'll go into poultry and we'll do some turkey and chicken carcasses. In the spring, we'll try and do some beef carcasses and also some market swine as well.
16-year-old Brianna Ramos plans to pursue a career in food science and earned her food handler certification in this class.
I work at Whataburger. It helped me with the sanitizing of the dishes and all the serve safe. So I know all of that already. So getting that previously before getting a job is very beneficial.
Price says he's proud to prepare students for the future while also teaching them skills they can apply as soon as they walk out the door.
To be at a program that not only can I teach how to process a carcass, but I can actually take the kids out and do it, that's really unique and something that's been a real blessing.